Hello everyone, this is grade 3 science with teacher Benisia from Woodrose International School. Our topic for today is materials. There are many different materials used to make things. Here we have a chair, here we have a bottle, next we have a frying pan, here we have a sweater and a birthday hat. The chair is made of wood, so the material is wood. The bottle is made of glass, so the material is glass. The frying pan is made of metal, so the material in this case is metal. Here the sweater is made of wool, so wool is the material. And the birthday hat is made of paper, so the material is paper. Materials can have many different properties. A property describes what a material looks or feels like. Here we have a list of some materials and their properties. First, we have metal. Metal is strong. It means that it cannot be destroyed or broken easily. So strong is a property of metal. It says how metal is, how it looks or feels like. Paper is weak. It means that it can be destroyed or torn easily. Again, weak is a property of paper. It says how paper is. Next, we have wood. Wood is hard. Hard is a property of wood. It says how wood is. The next material in the list is glass. Glass is transparent. It means that we can see through it. Wool is soft. Rubber is flexible. When something is flexible, it means that it can be bent easily or it can change shape. Next material is stone. Stone is rigid. While flexible is something that can be bent or can have its shape changed, rigid is something that keeps its shape. Plastic. Plastic is waterproof. When we say that something is waterproof, we mean that water cannot go through it. When you put water on top of that thing, the water does not go inside. And cotton is our last material in the list, and cotton is absorbent. Absorbent is the opposite of waterproof. Something absorbent is something that soaks up liquid. If you put liquid on top of this kind of material, the liquid will sink in. It will go inside the material. So here we have a short list of materials and their properties. It is important to know that materials don't just have one property. Let's take the case of these materials I've just listed here in the table. Metal. Metal is strong, like we've just seen, but metal is also shiny. It's also waterproof and it's also smooth. Paper. Paper is weak, like we've just seen before, but paper is also flexible, it's also smooth, and it's absorbent. Glass is a material that is transparent, smooth, rigid, and waterproof, and we have all these other materials I've listed here. And I want to call your attention to this. These properties I've listed are not the only properties of these materials. They can have many more and even different ones depending on the circumstances. But it's just important for you to know that one single material can have many different properties. And it's also normal to find a property being shared by many different materials. Let's take the case of smooth. Metal is smooth. Paper is also smooth. Glass is smooth. And plastic is smooth. So here we have 4 different materials sharing the same properties. So materials have many different properties. And properties, the same property can be found in many different materials. Because materials share common properties, it's possible to to sort or group these materials using those properties. Here we have a list of 6 objects made from different materials. We have a brick made of concrete, cutlery made of metal, a sweater from wool, a balloon from plastic, an ice cube made of water, and tissue paper made of paper. We are going to sort these 6 objects using 2 different sets of properties. When we sort these objects into hard and soft, we are going to have the brick, the cutlery, and the ice cube together on one side, because the brick, the cutlery, and the ice cube are all hard. So we put them on one side as the hard ones, the hard objects. And on the other side, we are going to have the tissue paper, the balloon, and the sweater, because all 3 of these objects are soft. So we've just sorted these 6 things into 2 different groups. On one side we have hard objects, and on the other side we have soft ones. This is all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a nice day. Bye bye.